announcing a new thing we're doing here at besttradingsignals.net. This is the inner circle now. That sounds a little weird, right? Inner circle signal service, but what this is about is that we have multiple signals services of different types of systems we are running, and let's go take a look at them. So you have one monthly membership fee, and you're getting multiple signal services of different types. And so, of course, you're getting a very good deal for it. But let's go look here. See if I can fit this in here. Okay, so several of these are new. All right, so we have Snapper Pops, RDT Trader, right? And so we've been stumbling on these new methods, and we've had some extraordinary success. There's an 87% winner, and here's a 97% winner. Now, granted, these systems, they correspond to market behavior or price action behavior in that asset over the period of time of sampling. And if the price action character behavior changes, well, then you're going to have a different action and reaction with the system, therefore different results. Okay, but so we look to have these systems that will have excellent. I mean, this is ridiculous over here, 97% winning. But we're gonna have these systems that have done excellently and put us in a good probability position for being a solid performer into the future. Okay, and then as price action behavior cycles, then it's just going to go through its different cycles. So what that means is that you could have a fast, smooth market. Okay, then it could go into a consolidation, and then it could just go into erratic confusion. We've had a few of those over the past few years, mostly, as the markets are really confused and uncertain about what's going to happen into the future, because supposedly our financial system is ending, and there's some 6,000 year cycle ending, and so you're going to get a completely different financial system is the talk. And so you can have all these, wonderings and hesitations and overreactions and so on. Okay. So my point is that just because a lot of people are also well trained in the now, immediate gratification. It comes from largely social media, being on social media, cell phones, okay, especially text messages. If I don't know if you experienced, if you don't text somebody back right away, they get mad. So, if you really think about it, it's pretty dumb, right? But that's been going on in society and is very destructive. So you have all these immediate gratifications. I mean, social media guys like the Facebook guy talks about how they design social media specifically so you get addicted to the dopamine rush of a little feedback or someone liking your post or someone, giving you some sycophantish comment about, oh, that's so wonderful. And anyways, sorry, I'm sick of this. Okay, I'm sick of this mentality. It's just so destructive for success financially, so destructive in people's trading. And you see it all the time with signal services, okay? These are systems. They progress by over the months, all right? They're going to cycle through different price action behavior. So if you're not in it, if you're looking for some immediate gratification, you may get it, but then it's going to cycle into some consolidation in the market, and then it's going to cycle back to nice and smooth, and it's going to go back and forth all over the place. If you don't have the methodical progression mindset, then you learn it, you change, okay? or, you know, maybe the markets aren't for you, but what else in life will be for you? Okay? That mentality is the same mentality that gets people hooked on drugs, you know, illicit drugs. It gets people hooked on sugar even, okay, or whatever. So, you know, we want to get our brains back. We want to become smart again and use our common sense and just pull back on this emotional tantrum thing and just get out of it. If you get rid of these things, preferably even hardly ever use your cell phone. Okay, you know, you can use your cell phone largely through your computer, your desktop now. Did you know that? Don't use Wi-Fi. That's another health disaster. And things like that. Don't be chasing what everyone else is doing, right? You make your own goals. Suggested that you even set goals daily. You know, Brian Tracy has a good book on that. And you make your own plans. You need to do you, okay? You have your own destiny, or make one up if you don't know what it is. Whatever is exciting and inspiring and fun sounding or cool sounding to you, make something up that goes in line with that, and you know, get some direction. I'm sorry about the speech here, but we have to deal with this a lot these days, okay? And people are just having these emotional hysterias, and you don't need to. Okay, so anyways, we have some really cool systems here, and now you see Powder Keg X here. Okay, and well, I think we need to change the logo. Yeah, we'll use the same logo. Sorry, this is a different type of Powder Keg X. We have a separate Powder Keg X signal service, which is ridiculously good. Okay, it's a powerful system. I hope that you can employ it and you know, do super well. Okay. Now we have Powder Keg XS here. This is XS. This is a different system. We probably should have called it something else, but there's certain factors that are related, and I really like that Powder Keg name. It has some historical significance, you know, to me. So, you know, Powder Keg. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up because I just messed up the video dimensions, and I don't know if this is gonna even produce. So we have snapper pops. You can see snapper pops on futures, Nadex. Okay, this is when we see W's and L's. That's related to Nadex, but it's also a representation of winning, losing trades. That's, yeah, we did that here with Tesla. Yeah, okay. So you can see winning percent. Some people get really focused in on the winning percent. We're more focused on the net profit, but you know, hey, good winning percent's always welcome, right? You know, and we have Crusher 8 signals. We moved it over here. We're now selling the system, which you would. You know, in my opinion, if you can get it, I would definitely get that one and put it to work. Okay, so looks like a copy paste error here, duplicated snapper pops. So yeah, I'm going to come back with another video, but you can see Crusher 8, the new page for the system. You can see all the results there. It's just actually, let me go get it. Okay, Crusher 8. So you can see let's go to a more clear example performance. Here's a Roku when Roku is flying around a bit more. Look at the progression of trades. This is no joke. Exactly by system rules, entries and exits. Okay, that has a very good accuracy as you see here. I don't even see a loss. Yeah, 100% winning in 2021. And then that's the last time the results were typed in, so that's why you see a cutoff there. This website work can be a pain sometimes. Mostly WordPress. Ugh. Anyways, so it's like another job, just trying to get WordPress working without problems. Okay, it's so slow. And you can see here NVIDIA, NVIDIA 2021. You can see it's able to see. Look at the numbers of points per trade here. That's why we call it Crusher. Okay, Crusher 8. It's able to take these super dramatic moves with very good precision and capture them on a regular basis. This is like a little secret loophole. You could argue that, as people say, the professionals know about. When you understand what moves the markets and what moves the markets dramatically, then you can spot these types of setups, and you can get on these professionals, or maybe you can say those who are big players who are able to move the markets. I almost said manipulate, but maybe that's a little too negative. Maybe people who are able to move the markets with a position. If they are even doing that, maybe it's just like a breakout that just fails and people panic out the other way and things like that. So, but this is we're not playing the breakouts. Like we're not playing chart patterns here. It's something a little different. So you can see there the dramatic results. What do we have here on the Roku? 700 points in a year. Okay, that's just ridiculous. Now here's another system. It's called Stellar 9. I don't know, maybe we need to change the name because of the whole big stellar system that is coming out there. But that was the name, Stellar 9. Anyways, so it's a really good system. And you can see the progression here. It's very solid performance. John Deere 321, Lowe's 256. January to it's a year's worth there of performance sample. Here's Goldman Sachs, NVIDIA comparison here, 282 points. All right, so that's what we've got in here. And so I feel like we're missing something. Anyways, so that's about it. And you can get all these signals in one. All right. And I'll have to make some more explainer videos on the inner circle. But you can ask us questions if you're interested in getting started. You should see the button below, or if you're on YouTube or something, click the link for more info. Thank you.